Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some banana pancakes. So I'm going to start by whisking my eggs. I'm going to go in with a cup of cow's milk. I have here a tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then we're going in with our overripe bananas. I'm going to crush my bananas. You can always use a fork if you want to, or even crush it before. But for me, I like to have less things to wash up. So I try to get everything done in one bowl. This looks just about fine. Next, I'm going to add a cup of all-purpose flour, and I'll be sieving my flour. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm going to add some vanilla flavoring and also some cinnamon powder. So it's about a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just going to do a dash of cinnamon powder. Okay, I'm going to get some more flour in. So I have my pot here, it's hot. I'm going to turn it down on low flame and add some butter. So I'm going to use a quarter cup, to measure out my pancake into my pot. So you want to cook these on each side for about 5 minutes or until the other side is brown. My pancakes are freely moving, which I like. So it's almost that time to flip them. I'm now going to remove these and add my second batch.
The whipped cream.